Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in Vue.js 3. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different in Vue.js 3. Okay, and guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how to create an awesome and animated sidebar using HTML, CSS, and Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, just to give you a demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me explain in the example what I mean and what we are gonna learn today in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example first and let me explain in the example what I mean and what we are gonna learn today in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example. So guys, this is the example I have built using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, here you can see some text also and Vue logo also, and the text is awesome and dynamic sidebar using Vue.js 3, and below you can see also the text animated and responsive sidebar. Okay, and guys, here on the right side of the screen you can see a button also. As of now the button says open sidebar. Okay, and the button background is also black. Okay, so guys, in order to open the sidebar we have to click the button open sidebar. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna click the button open sidebar just to open the sidebar. Okay, so guys, always remember the sidebar is gonna open in the left side of the screen. Okay, so I'm gonna click the button open sidebar. Guys, just pay attention because this is a really dynamic and animated sidebar I have built using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3. So guys, now I'm gonna click the button open sidebar. See, boom guys, as you can see here, the moment I have clicked the button open sidebar, the sidebar has opened in the left side of the screen. And guys, here you can see the button also, the text also changes to close sidebar and the button background also changes to red. Okay, so guys, now you can click the button again to close the sidebar. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna click the button close sidebar. See guys, the moment I click the button close sidebar, the sidebar is closed. And guys, now you can see also the button background also changes to black and the text also changes to open sidebar. Okay, so guys, through this button you can toggle the sidebar. Okay, so you can close the sidebar as well as you can open the sidebar from this button as well. Okay, so again click the button. See, again you can see the button background changes to red and the text also changes to close sidebar. Okay, so guys, now you can see here also on the sidebar that we have got a close button also just to close the sidebar. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna close the sidebar from here, from this cross button. Okay, so just click this button. See guys, boom guys, you can see here the sidebar also closes and the button background also changes to black and the text also changes to open sidebar. Okay, you can click again. See how dynamic and how awesome this sidebar is. Okay, so guys, I have built this sidebar using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, you can see here how dynamic this button is also. Okay, so guys, as of now the sidebar is open and you can see the text also close sidebar and the button background also changes to red. Okay, so guys, from here you can also close the sidebar. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna click the button close sidebar just to close the sidebar. Okay, so guys, just pay attention on this button. As of now the text is close sidebar and the button background is also red. Okay, So guys, now just click this cross button in order to close the sidebar. Okay, see guys, now the button also changes and the text also changes. Okay, now the text is open sidebar and the background color is also black. Okay, so from this button you can toggle the sidebar, means you can close the sidebar as well as you can open the sidebar from this button also. Okay, see guys, and let me just show you the responsiveness also. So go to the responsiveness. Okay, see guys, this is the mobile view and this is also responsive in mobile view as well. Okay, so close the button, you can open the button from here. So close the sidebar, open the sidebar, close the sidebar, open the sidebar, and close the sidebar. Okay, so guys, you can see here how dynamic and how cool our sidebar is. Okay, so guys, in this video we are gonna learn that how to build this kind of dynamic and animated sidebar using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay, so let me just show you responsiveness also. So guys, you can see here this is responsive. Okay, so guys, you can use this kind of sidebar on any kind of devices. Okay, like mobile device, laptop, small devices, desktop as well. Okay, it will be responsive on any kind of devices, on any kind of screen sizes. Okay, you can see here, you can close the sidebar from here also, you can close the sidebar here also, and you can open the sidebar from this button also. See how dynamic and how cool our sidebar is. Okay, so guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to create this kind of animated and dynamic sidebar using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn that how to build this kind of dynamic and animated sidebar using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, as of now I have given some dummy content on the sidebar. Guys, you are free to put any kind of content, you are free to display any kind of content on this sidebar as well. Okay, so as of now I have given here some mobile devices with the name, price and two buttons also, see product and remove product. Okay, you can see here, so you are free to put any kind of content, you are free to display any kind of content on this sidebar as well. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn that how to build this kind of animated and dynamic sidebar using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay, yes guys, here in this video we are gonna use Vue.js 3 and not Vue.js 2. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER and please press the bell icon also. Okay, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. Okay, and guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys do like all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos on each and every topic of web development as well as full stack development also. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn how to build this kind of sidebar using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, now let's go to the code. So I'm gonna create a new page first. So I'll say here animated sidebar dot html. Okay, so save the page now. So just create HTML first. So I'll give here code with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, by now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit and I am a software developer. Currently I am working as a ServiceNow developer at Happiest Minds Bangalore, and I have got more than 4 years of experience into software development. Okay, so guys, first of all I would like to paste some of the CDN links from the previous example only, just to save our little bit of time. Okay, so let me go to the example only. So this is the example, so just copy these CDN links from here and we will paste into our code, okay, below the title tag. Okay, so let me just explain you also. So guys, as you can see here, this is the CSS file for Bootstrap. Okay, you can see here the file name bootstrap.min.css, and guys, it is inside the folder CSS. Okay, and guys, this is the CDN link for Vue.js 3. Okay, you can see here Vue.global.js. So this is the JS file, and it is inside the folder JS. Okay, so guys, now we have required CDN links, okay, for our application. So now we are good to go, and we are good to write our code. Okay, so guys, now first of all, I'm gonna create the div. So I'll create here a div. So give the class also as a container. Okay, or let it be anything. We don't need container here because we are creating sidebar, so we don't require any container. Okay, so I'll just give here okay, just put here container only, and just close this div. Okay, so we have to give here id also as a app. Okay, so just below this div, so create another div inside this div. So I'll give here a class also as a text center, and just give margin top also 5 and margin bottom also 5, and give mx auto. Okay, just to put anything, just to put the content in the center of the screen. Okay, so close this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here h1 element. So give class also as a text center, and text dark also. So close this h1 first, and inside this h1 I'm gonna put some text also. So I'll just put here text. So let me go to the example only, just to copy the text. Okay, so just to save little bit of time guys, only, nothing else. Okay, so copy this text and paste it here, and just copy the file path, go to the browser, create a new tab, paste it here, and just remove this and put localhost, hit enter. So you can see here awesome and dynamic sidebar using Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, now we have to put this logo of Vue.js also. So guys, I'm just trying to put some content on the page so that it will look good, it will look awesome. Okay, you are free to do like any kind of modifications, any kind of changes as per your need, as per your requirements. Okay, so just go to the code again. So below this div I'm gonna create here another div. So give the class also as a img container. Okay, img container, and give margin top also 5, and give mx also auto, and close this div first, and inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. So give the class also as a img, and give mx also auto, and close this div, and inside this div I'm gonna put here img element. So go little up, I'll say here img src, and I have got the image guys inside the images folder. Okay, so images, put forward slashes and go to the folder. Let me show you the image also. So go to the view projects, and here guys, you can see here I have got the folder called images, and inside the images folder I have got two images. This is the mobile image and this is the Vue logo image. Okay, so just copy the file name from here and just paste it into our code. Okay, so give the class also. So I'll give the class also as a Vue logo. Okay, so just save your code and go to the browser and see the output. Okay, so now as you can see here, we have got the Vue logo. We have to style it a little bit so that it will look like this. Okay, so just go to the code again, and below this div I'm gonna create here another div. So just give the class also as a text center, and give margin top also 5, and give margin bottom also 5 and give mx auto just to put the content on the center of the screen. Okay, so guys, here I am using all the classes from the Bootstrap. Okay guys, these all classes are predefined inside the bootstrap.min.css. That's why I am using here bootstrap.min.css file. Okay, because it will minimize our time on writing the CSS code. Okay, so just close this div first. So close this div. Guys, always remember, whenever you are opening any tag, any HTML tag, please guys, at the same time close it. Otherwise whenever you will forget it, you will have a lot of issues to like rectify your code, and it will consume a lot of time. Okay, so guys, always remember, the moment you open any tag, you have to close it inside the HTML. Okay, otherwise it will create a lot of problem, and it will consume a lot of time in like rectifying the your error or mistakes. Okay, so inside this div, I'm gonna create here another h1 element. So I'll give the class also as a text center and text dark also. So close this h1 first, and inside this h1 I'm gonna put some text from the example only. Okay, so just go to the example and copy this text from here. So copy it and paste it here. So save your code, go to the browser and just refresh your page. Okay, so you can see here the text also animated and responsive sidebar. Okay, so just go to the code again, and guys, now we have to style it. We have to write our own CSS. Okay, so I'm gonna create here a style element inside the head section. So I'll say here style. So I will write our CSS also. Okay, so guys, just be here guys, just watch the entire video, then only you will have some kind of understanding, then only you will get what I am doing here. So guys, trust me guys, from this video, from this session, you are gonna learn a lot of new things from this video. Okay, so just be here, be focused, and watch the entire video thoroughly and carefully. Okay, and be focused. Okay, so guys, let me just remind you again one more thing. If you will miss something, you will miss each and everything from this video, from this session. Okay, so just be here and be focused and watch the video thoroughly. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna style it. So I'll just copy this img element from here. Okay, so it is a class, so we have to put here dot, and then we will say here, we will write our CSS. Okay, our custom CSS. So I'll say here margin 0 auto, and I'll give here position as relative, and I'll give here display as flex. Okay, I'll give here justify content also center, and give align item also center, and give width, I'll give here width 370 px, and I'll give here height also 370 px. Okay, and I'll give here border thin solid, I'll give here against border, and I'll give here overflow also hidden. Okay, just to hide the like content from the outside. Okay, so guys, our content will be hidden, our content will be inside the container only. Okay, that's why we are using overflow hidden. Okay, and I'll give the background color also as a white, and I'll give here box shadow also a little bit. So I'll give here box shadow, and I'll give here 1px, and I'll give here 10px and RGBA, and I'll just change the value of opacity. Okay, so 0.2. So guys, first of all, let me just put here asterisk. Okay, so guys, this is known as the global selector. Okay, so I'll say here padding 0, I'll say here margin also 0, and give the box sizing as a border box. Okay, so guys, now I'll just copy this Vue logo class, which is the class on the images. Okay, so I'm gonna style these images now. So I'll just go here inside the style, I will put here dot and just paste it Vue logo class, and I'll just style it. So I'll say here width, and I'll give here 250 px, and just give the height also of auto. Okay, and just give the display as a block, and give the object fit also as a cover. Okay, so just save your code, go to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, as of now you can see here, so I have to give the border radius also to this container. So just go to the code again and go inside the images class and give the border radius also. So I'll say here border radius 100%. Okay, so just save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. So now it is looking like little bit of this. Okay, so we have to style our text also. So as of now we have style our images and the container. Okay, so now we have to style our text also. So I'll just go again inside the style and I'll just copy this class text dark. Okay, so copy it from here and just go here, put point, paste it, and I'm gonna style it. So I'll say here font size of 40px. Okay, and give font family also. I'll say here font family as a sans serif, and I'll give here font weight also. Okay, so font weight also of 900. Okay, so that's it. So save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Yeah, so now this is our page and this is the example. So it is looking exactly like this. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna write the HTML part for our what can I say, sidebar. Okay, for this sidebar. Okay, so guys, just be here and pay attention. Okay, and be focused, otherwise you will miss something. You will miss each and everything from this video, from this session. Okay, so just go to the code again and below this div I'm gonna create here our HTML for the sidebar. Okay, so guys, now create a div, give the class also as a card holder. So I'll give here card holder class. So I'll give here card holder, and give the justify content end. Okay, so give justify content and give flex column. Okay, so give flex column. So close this div now. Okay, and inside this div I'm gonna put here a span element. So I'll say here span and close this span first, and inside the span I'm gonna put the class also. So I'll say here class as a closed, and I'll give the title also just for the user. Okay, so that whenever a user is going to the sidebar to close it, he or she will be able to see this title. Okay, so that he or she will be able to understand that we have to click this button in order to close the sidebar. Okay, so I'll say here close sidebar. Okay, so inside this span, guys, I'm gonna put here a cross mark. Okay, so I'll say here X. Okay, so now inside this span I'm gonna create here a div again. So below this div, span, I'm gonna create here a class also. So I'll say here justify content start. Okay, justify content start. So close this div now, and inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. So create another div and give the class also as a bag. Okay, just to as a container. So give the class also as a bag and close this div. Okay, and inside this div I'm gonna create here again a div. So I'll say here div and give the class also as a holder. Okay, so I'll give the class also as a holder. So close this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here img element. So I'll say here img and src. So I will give here images as a folder name and /. Okay, so go to the folder to copy the image name. So just copy this image name from here and paste it into our code. Okay, so now just give the class also as a img fluid and give the card, or give the cart image. Okay, cart image. So give alt also, just for the what can I say, for SEO or for the screen reader. Okay, so I'll say here product image. Okay, product image. So now just save your code and just see the output as of now, how it looks like. Okay, so as of now we got the images here, so we have to style it also to make it like this. Okay, to make it like this we have to style this. Okay, so just now inside this div, guys, okay, below this div I'm gonna create here another div. So create another div and give the class also as nl0, and just close this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here p element. Okay, a para tag. So I'll say here p. So close this p first and give the class also as a, I'll say here cart p. Okay, and just give the name also. I'll say here name space colon, and I'll give here Apple iPhone. So I'll say here 5G. Okay, so just put this I as a small and make this P as a capital. Okay, so guys, just copy this P and just paste it 3 times. Okay, so just give the price also here. So give the price, and I'll say here the price, I'll say here dollar, and I'll give here 4408. Okay, so you can put anything. As of now this is dummy text. Okay, so if you are trying to fetch something from the server, so it will be dynamic. Okay, so now inside this p, so just remove this text. Okay, and inside this p I'm gonna create the button element. So you can see here we have got the button element also, see product and remove product. Okay, so I'm gonna create these two button now. So yeah, just go to the code again and create a button element inside this p element. So I'll say here button and close this button first, and just give the class also. So I'll say here btn. I'll say here btn danger, and I'll say here btn small. Okay, btn sm. Okay, for a small, and just give the text also as a C product. Okay, C product, and just copy this button and just paste this code below this button only, and just give the text also as a remove product. Okay, remove product. So just give the, just change this class to, I'll just give the class name as a btn success. Okay, just give the btn success. So guys, it is up to you. Okay, you are free to do any kind of modification, you are free to do any kind of like changes according to your need, according to your requirements. Okay, so just I'm just giving you an overview that how to create an awesome and dynamic sidebar using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, be here and watch the entire video, and please guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, please guys do like all my videos, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, so just save your code, go to the browser and just see the output first. So refresh the page. Okay, so you can see here we have got the name as a Apple iPhone 5G and price also $4408, and you can see here two buttons also, see product and remove product. Okay, so guys, now we have to style it. So just go to the code again, and we have to style it now, guys. So I will just go to the style sheet and we will just style it. Okay, so yeah, just go to the, I'll just copy this uh, card holder class from here. So copy this class from here, card holder, and go to the style sheet below this, paste it here, and now we have to style it. So I'll say here width, I'll give here width auto, and I'll give here position as a fixed, and I'll say here padding of 10 px, and give border radius also of 0 px, and give overflow hidden. Okay, and just give overflow, I'll say here overflow y also, overflow y also as overflow x as a hidden, and give overflow y as a auto. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, we have got the scroll bar also. You can see we have got the scroll bar. So this is the scroll bar y, I mean overflow y, and as you can see here, we don't have any like horizontal scroll bar, because we have hidden the horizontal scroll bar by using the CSS property overflow x as a hidden. Okay, so you can see here overflow y is scrolling now and overflow x is hidden. Okay, so we have used here two properties, overflow x as a hidden and overflow y as a auto. Okay, so yeah, just give the left also. So I'll say here first of all z index, I'll give here 999, and I'll say here float left. Okay, so I'll say here float left, and I'll give here left also. So as of now, just give here 0 px. Later on we will change this left value. Okay, so that initially our sidebar will be hidden. Okay, as you can see here, guys, initially our sidebar is hidden. So the moment user is going to click on the button open sidebar, then only we will be we will show the sidebar to the user. Okay, as you can see here, the moment user is going to click on the button sidebar, then only he or she will be able to see the sidebar. Okay, you can see as of now initially the sidebar is hidden, the sidebar is not showing on the screen. Okay, so the moment user is going to click on the button open sidebar, then only we will show the sidebar to the user. Okay, so later on we will just change this like what can I say, value of property left. Okay, so as of now let it be 0 px. Okay, so I'll say here top also 0, and I'll give here height as a 100%, and I'll give here background color as a white, and I'll give here box sizing also as a border box, and I'll just give here little bit of box shadow also. So I'll say here box shadow also. So yeah, just give 1 px and 10 px. Okay, and give the RGBA, just change the value of opacity. Okay, so 0.1. so you can change, guys, anything. Okay, it's up to you. So I'll say here will change, I'll say here will change, and I'll give here transform. Okay, so I'll say here will change as a transform, and just give the transition also for the animation. Okay, so let me just show you. So guys, the moment you are able to see the you can see here little bit of animation. Okay, so see, you are able to see, guys, animation also. So guys, now I'm gonna provide the animation also. So just go to the code again, and I'll say here transform, or say transition. I'll say here transition left. Okay, so I'm gonna I'm gonna put the animation on this left property. Okay, on this left property I'm gonna put the animation. Okay, so I'll say here 0.6 seconds, or give 6 seconds only, and I'll say here cubic. So just go to the example and just copy this CSS property. Okay, from the example only just to save a little bit of time. Okay, so I will explain you also. Guys, I hope guys, if you're here to learn Vue.js, so guys, I'm assuming I'm expecting that you are a master in CSS, okay, and you know how to write uh, like advanced and dynamic CSS for your website, for your application. Okay, so guys, I'm assuming that if you are learning Vue.js here, you must be master in CSS and you must be master in HTML as well. Okay, so yeah, you can see here I have given the transition as a left 0.4 second cubic base here, and this is the value for the cubic base here. Okay, so this is the x, this is the y, this is the like this is x, y, z, and this is the minus z direction value. Okay, so now just save your code and go to the browser and now refresh the page. Okay, so guys, you can see here as of now our sidebar is here, so we have to make it like this. Okay, so just go to the again code and we have to style this bag class. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna copy this bag class from here and we have to style it. So just put dot here and paste it here, and I'm gonna style it now. So I'll say here display as a flex and give the important also. Okay, and I'll give here flex direction also as a column, and I'll give here align item also center, and give align content also center, and give the position as a relative, go a little up, and give top also as a 0, and give z index also as 99 only, and give background color also as a white, and give width also. So I'll say here width of 300 px. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna provide the width to this sidebar. Okay, you can see here we have got some width also. So guys, now I'm gonna provide the width to our this sidebar. Okay, so just go to the code and give the padding also of 5 px only, and give a little bit border radius. So I'm gonna put here border radius of 10 px, and just give the box sizing also. So I'll say here box sizing border box, and just give margin top also. So I'll say here margin top 10 px, and give the border also. So I'll say here border thin solid, and give the gens border also, go a little up, and I'll say here I'll just say here box shadow also. So I'll say here box shadow, and I'll give here 1 px, 1 px, and 10 px, and I'll give the RGBA value. So just change the value of opacity, so put here okay 1. Okay, so just save your code, go to the browser and refresh the page. Yeah, you can see here we have got our sidebar, and you can see here we have to just put guys, we have to just decrease the image size. Okay, decrease the image size. So I'll say here I'll just go to the code and copy this holder class from here. So copy it from here and go to the style sheet and put dot and paste it, and I'm gonna style it now. So I'll say here width of 85 px. Okay, and give the height also of auto, and give the overflow as a hidden. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so guys, now you can see here it is looking like exactly this. Okay, so you can see this is the example, and this is what we have made right now. Okay, so just copy this class cart p from here, and we will style it now. So just go to the style sheet and put point and paste it here, and just say here font size of, just give 15 px. Okay, it's up to you. So yeah, so guys, now just copy this closed class from here, and we have to style it now. So put point, paste it here, and just say position as a absolute, and give float as a right, and give right 10 px, and give top as a, I'll say here top 20 px, and give width of 20 px also, and give the height also of 20 px. Go a little up and give the display also as a flex, and give justify content as a center, and give align item also center, and give align content also center, and just give font size also of 40 px. Okay, font size of 40 px, and give font width also. So I'll say here font width, and I'll give here font width of just give here 400. Okay, and just give text align also as a center, and give cursor also as a pointer, and give line height also of 20 px. Okay, so guys, now just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, so let me just do one more thing. So put here margin top 5. Okay, as you can see here, this is the container for all the content on this sidebar. Okay, on like on this card. Okay, so guys, you can see here we have got the card also. Okay, so this is the this div is the container. Okay, this div is the container for this entire card. Okay, for this entire card. So I have given here margin top 5. Okay, so just refresh the page now. See, you can see here we have got the cross mark also, so that user will be able to click this, and the moment user is going to click this cross mark, the sidebar is going to be hidden. Okay, the sidebar is going to be closed. Okay, so guys, just go to the example and just copy this cross. Okay, copy this cross from here and paste it here, so that it will look little bit awesome. Okay, so now just save your code, go to the browser, and now refresh the page. Okay, so you can see here now this is looking like a standard close button. Okay, you can see here guys, the moment I'm hovering over this cross mark, you are able to see the title also, close sidebar. Okay, so guys, this is the title only. So I have given here title to this span tag. You can see here close sidebar. Okay, so now just copy this. Okay, so guys, let me just copy this bag. Okay, just copy this bag from here to here and just paste it a few more times. Okay, so that we will have some more content on this sidebar. Okay, so as of now you can see here we have got only one content, so I'm gonna increase the content now. Okay, so you will be able to see the vertical scroll bar also. Okay, so the moment guys we will have more content on this sidebar, we will be able to see the vertical scroll bar also. So I'm gonna increase the content now. So just below this paste it here, and below this paste it here also, and paste it one more time. Okay, so now done. Okay, so we have got I guess 5 card on our scroll bar. Okay, so just save your code and go to the browser and refresh the page now. So see, boom guys, the moment we have got the number of cards on our sidebar, you are able to see the vertical scroll bar also. Okay, so guys, now you can see here our sidebar looks so dynamic and so awesome. You can see the card is looking like a standard card. Okay, so guys, try to build your UI as awesome as possible. Okay, so you can see here our UI is looking so awesome and so dynamic. Okay, so we have got the product image also, product name also, product price also, and the 2 button also, see product and remove product. Okay, so guys, as of now this is the static content. So guys, if you are fetching something from the server, okay, so the content will be dynamic and you will have some more kind of content in your sidebar. Okay, so as of now we have got the static content on our sidebar. Okay, so now just guys, now we have to write our Vue.js, okay, script. We have to write our logic now for the closing and opening the sidebar. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create this close and open sidebar button. So just go to the code again and just go here. Okay, so now inside this div, okay, inside this div I'm gonna create here button element. So I'll create here button element. So yeah, below this div I'm gonna create here button element. Okay, so yeah, create a div, give it a class as a shopping bag. Okay, shopping bag, and close this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here span element. So I'll say here span and just close this span first. Okay, and just to give the class also. So I'll say here btn only. Okay, and later on we will paste the we will apply the class dynamically by using Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, as of now I have given the button class only, and later on dynamically we will apply the more classes by using Vue.js 3. Okay, so yeah, just inside this we will paste our dynamic content, dynamic text also by using Vue.js 3. Okay, so as of now just give the dummy text. So I'll say here open sidebar. Okay, so as of now this is the static text. We will make it dynamic as well. Okay, you can see here inside in our example, you can see here the text is also being changed. Okay, so you can see here the text is also being changed. Okay, the moment I am closing and opening the sidebar. Okay, you can see here the text is also being changed to close sidebar to open sidebar. Okay, and the background also changes to red to black. Okay, of this button. Okay, so we will make this button dynamic also. So just be here guys and watch the entire video. Okay guys, I'm sure guys you're gonna learn a lot of new things from this video, from this session. Okay, so just be here and watch the entire video carefully and thoroughly as well. Trust me guys, I give you my word, I promise you, you will definitely learn new things from this video, from this session as well. Okay, so just go to the code and okay, so save your code now and just go to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, so as of now, just guys just hide this sidebar as of now. So I already told you we will hide this sidebar initially. So just give here 300 px. Okay, so just refresh the page. Okay, give minus 300 px. So yeah, so give 350. Okay, okay, so guys, now you can see here our button is here open sidebar. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna style this button also, and we will bring it here to the right side on the top of the screen. Okay, as you can see here the button is on the top of the screen on the right side. Okay, so just go to the code and just copy this button btn class. So just give guys here okay, so just okay, so just copy this class from here, shopping bag. It is a class. So just go to the style sheet and put point and paste it here, and we have to style it. So I'll say here position as a absolute and give top as a 10 px and give right also as a 10 px and give, I'll say here float right. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so guys, you can see here we have got the button. So guys, as of now for your understanding, so that we will be able to see the button, I am gonna give the background color also. Okay, so just give as of now, we will later on we will change it. So give the background color also as a black. Okay, also as a black. Okay, so yeah, give font size also. I'll give you a font size of 20 px, and give the border radius also of 10 px, and give the cursor also as a pointer, and give the font family also as a sans serif only. So save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Yeah, so give the color, we have to put the color also, so give color as a white. Okay, give important, I guess we have to put important because I have applied here. You can see here I have applied the btn class, which is the predefined class in the Bootstrap. Okay, so that's why we have to put here important on the color. So now save your code and go to the browser and now refresh the page. So color is, let me just inspect it, why the color is being not applied. So just inspect it, and yeah, you can see here the color is already black. That's why our code is not being applied. And the moment I am removing this class, our color is being applied. Okay, so color. Okay, so just go here and put some extra class to this button also. So I'll say here color, I'll say here white. Okay, I'll say here white. So copy this white class from here and go to the style sheet and put here and give the color also as a white. Okay, so save your code, and guys just remove this border radius to 6 px only. So now save your code and go to the browser and now refresh the page. Okay, so guys now you can see here our color is applied, and okay, you can see here the text is white now. So just put here important also. Okay, important, and cut this class from here and just paste it here. Okay, so now save your code, go to the browser and now refresh the page. Okay, so guys now you can see here our button is here, open sidebar. So just copy this class and just paste it below this and close this and put hover class here. So I'll say here hover, and I'll just give here color also as a white and put important also. So important, save your code and go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so I guess we have to apply this on this, what can I say, white class also. So yeah, put hover also here. So now just save your code and go to the browser and refresh your page. Yeah, so now our class is applied now. So guys now let me just remove this class as of now. So just put here 0px left property, so that we will be able to see the sidebar also. Okay, so now just refresh your page. Okay, so now we are able to see the sidebar. So guys, the moment user is going to click on the button open sidebar or close sidebar, we will be able to show or hide the sidebar. Okay, and the moment user is going to click on this cross mark also, then also we will be able to show or hide the sidebar. Okay, so guys now just pay attention, because I'm gonna write now logic for this sidebar. I'm gonna write the Vue.js 3 script. Okay, so guys just be here and pay attention. Okay, otherwise if you will miss something, you will miss each and everything, because you all know guys that Vue.js is very reactive, very dynamic. Okay, so guys you have to be focused and you have to watch the video carefully, then only you will be able to understand. Okay, because now I'm gonna write the logic, I'm gonna write the Vue.js 3 code. Okay, so just be here guys. So just go to the code again and go to the bottom of the page. So I'm gonna create here script element. Okay, so guys now just pay attention. Okay, because the important part is coming now. Okay, so guys now I'm gonna create here variable first. So I'll say here const app and equal to, so view dot create app. Okay, So guys, as you all know, Vue.createApp is a function which is used to create the application, which is used to create the app inside the Vue.js 3, and it is gonna take the inside this guys Vue.createApp. You are free to define anything. You are free to define your function, you are free to define your objects, you are free to define your array, you are free to define your variables, you are free to define your like any kind of guys JavaScript code inside this Vue.create app. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here data function first. Okay, so I'll say here data colon function. Okay, so function, and put parenthesis, and guys, this function is gonna return the all the properties, all the state variables. Okay, so I'll say here return. Okay, put open and closing braces, and guys, now I'm gonna define some of the variable name also. So I'm gonna define here variable name. So I'm gonna define here first variable as a header. Okay, so put colon and put open double inverted comma. So I'll say here awesome and dynamic sidebar using Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, now we have to mount this also. So copy this variable name app and put here like a semicolon, and we will say here, we will just say here app dot mount, and we have to give here class or id. Okay, so guys, you are free to put here class as well as id also. So I'm gonna put here id. So I'll say here hash app, and now just close this. So guys, now you know our Vue.js has been mounted. So we have to mount this Vue.js instance. Okay guys, we have to mount this Vue.js instance to our Vue part, to our HTML part also. Okay, so guys, inside the Vue.js, HTML part is known as Vue part. Okay guys, always remember, inside the Vue.js, our HTML part is known as the Vue part. Okay, so just copy this class, I mean id, from here. As you can see here, I have given the id as a app. Okay, so just paste it here. So guys, as you can see here, I have already given here id. Okay, so I will just replace this id to id app only. Okay, nothing else. So guys, now our this HTML part, our this Vue part has been mounted, has been connected. Okay guys, always remember, the moment you will apply the id as a app, the moment guys you will apply the id as a app, our Vue part, our HTML part is mounted, our HTML part is connected now to this. Okay, to this Vue.js instance. Okay, to this Vue.js instance, because here you can see app.mount, and I have given the id also as a app, and here to this our HTML part also I have given the id as a app only. Okay, so our HTML part is, our Vue part is now connected to our this, okay, to our this Vue.js instance. Okay, so guys, now just save your code and refresh the page. Okay, so guys, now let me just copy this header. Okay, copy this header variable from here, and I'm gonna show you one thing. So just remove this like static text from here. As of now, the text is static, so I'm gonna remove it from here. So just save your code and just refresh this page. Okay, so guys, now you're not able to see the text. Okay, so the text is gone because I have removed it. Okay, so I will make it dynamic also. So I'm gonna say here double curly braces, and I'm gonna paste this variable name as a header. Okay, as a header, because you can see here I have defined the header here also, awesome and dynamic sidebar using Vue.js 3. Okay, so just save your code, go to the browser, and now refresh your page. See, boom guys, our text is also here. So you can see here awesome and dynamic sidebar using Vue.js 3. Okay, so our text is dynamic now. So guys, let it be this text as a static text only. So I'm not gonna make it dynamic, so let it be static only. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna write the logic for this sidebar. So just give me 1 minute guys. So I'll say here mr, I'll say here 2, and just copy this mr class 2 from here and paste it here also. So save your code and refresh the page now. Okay, so Okay, so we have to paste on each of the buttons. Okay, so just paste it here also and paste it here also. Okay, so guys, this is known as the margin left and margin right. Okay, this is predefined classes in the Bootstrap. Okay, so guys, I hope guys you know what is Bootstrap and how to use Bootstrap inside your code, inside your application. Okay, so guys, I am assuming here also that you must be knowing that what is Bootstrap and how to use Bootstrap inside your application, inside your code, if you are learning Vue.js here. Okay, so just save your code and refresh the page now. Okay, so you can see here a little bit of gap also between these two buttons. Okay, so you can see here a little bit of gap between these two buttons also. So that's why I have given the class margin right to and margin right to also on these two buttons. Okay, so guys, let me just clear you one thing, guys. Now guys, you will be able to see some kind of background noises, some kind of background, like voice also. So for this guys, I'm extremely sorry. Okay, so guys, just be here and watch the video very carefully and try to ignore the background voices. Okay, so thank you guys, and please guys, do subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist. Okay, so just ignore the background voice and be focused on the video entirely. Okay, so go to the code again, and again here guys, I'm going to define some more variable. So I'll say here sidebar put colon, and as of now I'm not gonna give it anything, so let it be blank, let it be empty. Okay, so put comma, and I'll say here btn text. So I'll say here btn text. So guys, now I'm gonna make this button also as a dynamic. Okay, so as of now this button is a static. So as you can see here in the example, as you can see here, this button is really dynamic and really awesome also. It is going to change the background color as well as the text of the button. Okay, so I will make this button also as a dynamic. Okay, so for that I'm going to define the property inside the Vue.js. So I'll say here open sidebar. Okay, so put comma, and I'm gonna define here one more variable. So I'll say here btn, and as of now give nothing, let it be blank also. So put comma, and I'll say here toggle. I'll say here toggle button. Okay, so as of now just give this toggle button as a false. Okay, so put comma, so just put here semicolon and put here comma. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to define the methods. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to define here two methods also, for closing and for opening this sidebar. Okay, you can see here for closing this sidebar and for opening this sidebar, I'm going to define here two methods. Okay, so just go to the code, and now I'm going to define here two methods also. So I'll say here methods, put colon, and put open and closing braces. So put comma here. So guys, now I'm going to define the first method. Okay, I'm going to define the first method. So I'll say here toggle. I'll say here toggle sidebar. Okay, toggle sidebar. So put colon and give function, put parenthesis and open and closing braces. Okay, so guys, now we will just say here this dot sidebar. Okay, so guys, whenever I will say here this dot sidebar, this dot header, this dot btn text, this dot btn, and this dot toggle btn, guys, I will be referring to these variables. Okay, so guys, whenever I will say here, guys, always remember, guys, listen to me very carefully. Okay, so guys, whenever I will say here this dot header, this dot sidebar, this dot btn text, this dot btn, and this dot toggle button, I will be referring to these variables. Okay, I will be referring to these variables: header, sidebar, btn text, btn, and toggle button. Okay, so I'll say here this dot sidebar, this dot sidebar, and as of now let it be blank, make it blank. Okay, make it blank, make it empty. Okay, so just close this, and we will just say here this dot btn text. I'll say here btn text. Okay, so guys, this btn text, okay, I'm talking about this btn text. Okay, so I'll say here equal to, I'll say here again this dot btn text. I'll check here equal to if it is close sidebar. Okay, if it is close sidebar, close sidebar. Okay, so guys, here I am using the ternary JavaScript function. Okay, so guys, this is known as the ternary operator inside the JavaScript. Okay, so guys, I'm not gonna use here JavaScript, like what can I say, if else statement. Rather, I'm gonna use here ternary JavaScript of like function. Okay, so I'll say here, and I'll say here question mark, and give space only, and again put here. And so if it is so like close sidebar, then we will just make it open sidebar. Okay, open sidebar. Okay, otherwise we will just say here colon, otherwise we will just again make it we will make it again close sidebar. Okay, so copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, and just close this. Okay, so guys, here I'm using ternary operation. Okay, I'm using here ternary operator, and we are just checking if this dot btn text equal to this dot btn text equal to close sidebar. Okay, if it is so, then we will just change the text to open sidebar. Okay, open sidebar. If it is not so, then we will just apply this text as a close sidebar. Okay, so guys, this is like if else condition. If guys, if this condition is true, okay, if this condition is true, then this will applied. Okay, if this condition is false, okay, if this condition is false, then this text will be applied to the button. Okay, so now again I will just use here this dot, I'll say here this dot toggle button. So I'll say here this dot toggle button equal to and negation of this. Okay, again I'll say this dot toggle button. Okay, toggle button. So yeah, so just save it. So guys, now we have to copy this sidebar, and we have to apply this class dynamically on this div. Okay, so I'll say here v on. Okay, give class, and we have to apply guys this class dynamically by using Vue.js. Okay, so I'll say here equal to, and I'll just apply this sidebar class. Okay, so guys, as you all know, colon is the shorthand for vbind. Okay, and guys, vbind is a directive inside the Vue.js which is used to dynamically apply classes, dynamically apply id, dynamically applied any kind of attribute on the HTML element, on the HTML tag. Okay, so guys, colon is the shorthand for vbind. Sorry guys, so colon is the shorthand for vbind, and vbind is a directive inside the Vue.js 3 which is used to apply dynamic properties on our HTML tag, on our HTML element. Okay, so guys, now we will just copy this class, this method name from here. So put comma here, so copy this method name toggle sidebar from here, and we have to call this toggle sidebar on this closing span. You can see here we have got the cross mark just to close the sidebar. Okay, so I'll say here @click. Okay, click equal to, just paste it. So guys, as you all know, @ is the shorthand for v-on, and guys, v-on is used as a directive, and it is used to like what can I say, call the or handle the what can I say, events. Okay, so guys, v-on is known as the event handler inside the Vue.js, and @ is the shorthand for v-on. Okay, so guys, whenever a user is going to click on this cross mark, then we will be able to toggle the sidebar. Okay, we will be able to show the sidebar, we will be able to hide the sidebar as well. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna define one more important classes. Okay, so I'll just say here, I will just copy this class from here. So this is very important, guys, just pay attention. Okay, so I'll just paste it here, and I'll just put here, and I'll just say here left. Okay, so I'll just say here left, and I'll just say here left of 0px, and just give the okay box shadow of 1px and 0px, and give the RGBA value, and just change the value of opacity. Okay, so make it 0.1, and just change the like animation from here. So just copy this transition class from here, and just paste it here. Okay, so guys, now initially our sidebar will be hidden, so just save your code, guys. Okay, as of now, just save your code and go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so guys, now we have to hide this sidebar initially, so I'm gonna hide, guys, this sidebar initially. Okay, so just okay, so as of now we will define one more method on this button. Okay, so I'm gonna define here one more method. So just go to the Vue.js code, and I'm gonna write here one more method here. So sorry, guys, please, guys, try to ignore the background voices. Okay, because guys, I am somewhere else as of now, so please, guys, it's a humble request, try to ignore the background voices. Okay, because now you will be able to listen, you will be able to like hear a lot of background voices, a lot of background noises as well. So please, guys, try to ignore this, and please be focused on the video only. Okay, because if you will miss something, you will miss each and everything. And please, guys, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also. Okay, so now I'm gonna define here one more method. I'll say here show sidebar. Okay, so sidebar. Okay, put colon, give function, and put parenthesis, open and closing braces. So I'll say here this. Okay, this dot sidebar. Okay, so guys, I'm talking about this sidebar. Okay, I'm talking about this sidebar, I'm talking about this btn, I'm talking about this btn, and I'm talking about this btn, I mean toggle btn. Okay, so this is the state variable. This is also known as data properties or state variable as well inside the Vue.js 3. Okay, so whenever I will say here this dot sidebar, I will be talking about this sidebar, this btn text, this btn, and this toggle button variable or state variable. Okay, so I'll say here equal to, again I will say here this dot sidebar. Okay, this dot sidebar, guys, again I'm gonna use here ternary operator. I'll say here equal to, we will just check. Okay, if it is already left, we will remove it. If it is already not left, then we will apply it. Okay, by using the ternary function, by using the ternary operator. Okay, so I'll check here if it is left. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, I have given the defined the class also, CSS class also here left. Okay, left on this card holder. Okay, on this card holder I have applied the class also, CSS class also left. Okay, which will be applied here. Okay, on this card holder. Okay, by using the dynamic class sidebar. Okay, so this is the dynamic class guys. As you can see here, I have given here colon. So this is the dynamic class, and I will apply this class by using Vue.js 3. Okay, so you can see here colon is the shortened for v on. Okay, I mean v bind. Okay, so we will apply this sidebar class dynamically by using this class left. Okay, by using this class left. Okay, so guys, here also I am checking. Okay, so I am checking here. So if this dot sidebar equal to left, then we will just remove it. We will just remove it. Okay, we will just remove it. If it is not so, okay, if it is not so, then we will just apply it. Okay, then we will just apply it. So left, so close this. Okay, So guys, I hope guys you know what is ternary operator and how to use ternary operator inside your JavaScript. Okay, so guys, here we are checking this sidebar. Okay, so we are saying here this dot equal to this dot sidebar if it is already left. Okay, if it is already left, then we will remove it. Okay, you can see here I have given nothing here, so we will remove it. If it is not so, then we will apply the class left. Okay, on this uh, on this on this card holder div by the dynamic class sidebar. Okay, by the dynamic class sidebar. Okay, so I hope guys I am clear. So yeah, so just save your code, and as of now just save your code and copy this method name from here, show sidebar, and just try to paste this method on the button. Okay, so I'll apply this class on this button. So yeah, so make it multi like line. So I'll just say here click. Okay, equal to, I will just apply this like a method name, show sidebar. As you can see here, I'm using here at the rate, so which is the shorthand for v on, and v on is like a directive inside the Vue.js, and which is used to handle the event. Okay, so now I'm gonna just okay, so just as of now just save your code and just go to the browser and just refresh the page and try to click on the button open sidebar. Okay, so just go to the developer tool and go to the element. Okay, go to the element and just make like this and try to click on the button. Okay, so guys, you can see here you can see here a new class left. Okay, so guys just pay attention here. Okay, you can see here a new class left on this card holder classes also. So just click the button. See, boom guys, we are able to apply the class dynamically whenever a user is going to click on the button open sidebar and close sidebar. Okay, see, boom guys, you can see here a new class left. Okay, so again click it. So see, you can see the left class has been already left. Okay, see guys, now we are able to apply the class dynamically. Just pay attention guys here. Okay, we will be able to apply the left class dynamically. Okay, see guys. Okay, so now our code is working fine. So we have to hide the sidebar initially. Okay, so I'll just hide the sidebar initially now. So just go to the sidebar. So go to the sidebar and yeah, just make it minus 350 px. Okay, and save your code and go to the browser and now refresh the page. See, boom guys, our code works. Guys, you can see here we are able to we are able to show and hide the sidebar whenever a user is going to click on the button open sidebar and close sidebar. Okay, see guys, now close this button. See guys, our code is working fine. See, open sidebar, close sidebar, open sidebar and close sidebar. See guys, as of now our sidebar bar is working fine. So you are free to change your content. You are free to change your, like, what can I say, you are free to display anything here. As of now I have displayed here dummy content and static content also. You are free to change your you are free to fetch content from the server here also on this sidebar. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna just make this button as a dynamic also. So as of now you can see here this open sidebar button is static now, so we have to make it dynamic also. So you can see here, go to the example, you can see the button is changing the background color also as well as the text also. Okay, in the example, so we have to make it like this also. As of now our sidebar is working fine, there is no issue at all. We are able to apply the left class and we are able to remove the left class dynamically by using Vue.js 3. Okay, see, all the things is working fine. See, everything is working fine and fantastic. Okay, there is no issue. So now we just have to make this open sidebar button as a dynamic also. Okay, so just go to the code and we will just make this button as a dynamic also. So yeah, so in now below this code only, so below this code only we will just make it dynamic. Okay, so we will say here this dot btn text, okay, equal to again we will say this dot btn text. Here guys also I'm gonna use the ternary function. Okay, ternary if else function. Okay, so I'll say here equal to, so we will just check here if the text is open sidebar, then we will make the text as a closed sidebar. If the text is closed sidebar, then we will make the text as a open sidebar. Okay, by using Vue.js 3 dynamically. Okay, so that's why guys I have given here this btn variable. Okay, so guys we will use this btn text variable. Okay, btn text variable. So yeah, so just copy this as you can see here. So we will just apply the open sidebar. If it is so put here question mark, and we will just say here close sidebar. Okay, close sidebar. If it is not so we will put here colon, and we will say here again open sidebar. Okay, open sidebar. Okay, so close this. Okay, so close this, and now we will just say here this dot toggle. Okay, btn equal to negation. Okay, so we are toggling this button btn text. Okay, we are just toggling it. Okay, so we'll say here this dot btn toggle. So close this. So guys now we just have to copy this btn text from here, and we just have to make this button as a dynamic also. So we will say here double curly braces, and we just have to paste this btn text variable from here to here. Okay, so just paste it. Okay, so now I hope this will work. So just go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so guys as you can see here, as of now the text is open sidebar, so we have to click this button to open the sidebar. Okay, see, boom guys, it works. So as you can see here, the text is now closed sidebar. Okay, see, open sidebar, close sidebar, open sidebar, and close sidebar, open sidebar. See, close sidebar. So as of now the sidebar is open. You can see here as of now the sidebar is open guys, so we have to close it. So see, as of now the sidebar is removed. We are not able to see the sidebar, so we have to open it. So the button text is also open sidebar. Okay, so sidebar is shown, so button text is now close sidebar. Okay, so close it. So open sidebar, we are able to see the sidebar also now. So just click this. You can see here open sidebar. Just click this. You can see here open sidebar. So open it. So just click it. See how dynamic our sidebar is. Okay, see guys, so now we have to change the background color of this button also. See guys, whenever I'm closing the sidebar from here also, then also our text is being changed of this button. Okay, so just close it from here, this sidebar. See, now again the text is open sidebar. So close this sidebar from here also. You can see here again the text is open sidebar. So open this sidebar from here also and close it from here also. See, now again open sidebar. Okay, so guys, our code is working fine as expected. So we have to make this background color also as a dynamic. Okay, like this we have to make it dynamic also. Background color is also changing to red and black. Okay, to red and black. So we have to make it like this also. Okay, so as of now our text is dynamic. Okay, see, from here also open sidebar, from here also open sidebar. Okay, so now just go to the code and we have to make it dynamic as well. Okay, so just go here in our code and we will just apply some dynamic CSS classes. Okay, so I'll say here colon, I'll say here class. Okay, and we will just apply the dynamic CSS classes. Okay, by using the Vue.js 3. So I'll say here btn. So I'll say here btn btn. So guys, let me just copy this class from the example only. Okay, so yeah, just copy this. Okay, so and paste it here. I will explain you guys, just don't worry. Okay, so just copy this btn black from here, and we will just define it inside our css part. Okay, so just go to the example only guys, just to copy this css only. Okay, although I have explained you guys each and everything. Okay, so don't worry if you are having any kind of issues, so just don't worry. Okay, so copy this entire css from here, and I will explain you. It is nothing guys, only css, and I hope you know like what is css and how to write our css. Okay, so guys, here you can see here we have got the class also btn black. Okay, and I have given the background color as a black, and color is also as a white. Okay, and I have given here font size 20px important, and here you can see here btn danger. This is the predefined bootstrap classes. I have just given here font size of 20px, and this is the btn black. Okay, this btn black on hover I have given the color also as a white. Okay, so color also as a white. And now let me just explain you this code from here. So guys, as you can see here, I am applying dynamic classes by using vbind attribute, and I have given here colon, which is the shorthand for vbind. Okay, and guys, always remember vbind is used to apply the dynamic property, to apply the dynamic classes, to apply the dynamic id to our html element, to our html tag. Okay, so guys, here I am saying we will apply the btn danger whenever this toggle button, okay, whenever this toggle button is true. Okay, so as of now you can see here the toggle button is false. Okay, so guys, let me just explain you one more time. So guys, I am applying here dynamic class by using vbind, and I have used here colon, which is the shorthand for vbind. Okay, so guys, vbind is a directive in the Vue.js 3, and it is used to apply dynamic properties, dynamic classes, dynamic id to our html element, to our html tag. Okay, so guys, here I am applying the dynamic classes, and I am saying here apply the btn danger class whenever this toggle button, okay, whenever this toggle button is true. So as of now this toggle button is false, so we will not apply this btn class. So we will apply this btn, we will apply this btn black. Okay, as of now you can see here the as of now it is true, as of now it is false. So negation of this, okay, negation of this toggle button will make it true, and we will apply this btn class. And guys, whenever a user is going to again click on the button btn again user is going to click on this button close sidebar, then we will make it false, and then we will apply the btn danger class. Okay, btn danger class, and we have defined here. Okay, we are saying here this dot toggle equal to negation of this dot toggle, this toggle button. Okay, so guys, here we are just toggling the button background classes. Okay guys, here on this line, okay guys, from this line we are just toggling the button background and nothing else. Okay, we are just saying here this dot toggle button equal to negation this dot toggle button. Okay, and we have defined here as of now the toggle button is false. As of now the toggle button is false, and you can see here we are just reverting this toggle button. So as of now it is false. Okay, so this mark, this exclamation mark will make it true. So we will apply the btn black class. Okay, and whenever a user is going to again click on this button close sidebar or open sidebar, we will just make it false, and we will just apply this btn class, because this btn toggle btn class will be true. Okay, this because we are just toggling this btn toggle btn okay, from false to true, from true to false by using this line. Okay, by using this line. Okay, so guys, I hope I am clear. I have explained you very well and you have understood me. And okay, so just save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so guys, now just click the button open sidebar. See, boom guys, our button is also dynamic, and we are able to apply the background color also, as well as we are able to change the text of the button also. Okay, so guys, as of now the sidebar is open, so we have to close it. So as you can see here, the text is close sidebar, so we can just close it from here also, and we will be able to change this text also to open sidebar, and we will be able to change this background color to black also. Okay, from here also. Okay, so close it. See, boom guys, so now our sidebar is closed, so the text is open sidebar and the background color is also black of this button. Okay, so open it. See, boom guys, our code is working fine. See guys. Okay, see, yeah, see. So guys, this is what we have made in this video, in this session. Okay, so it is also working fine, and this is the example. Okay, so guys, see, it is also looking cool, and we have also made our application, our software dynamic and awesome. Okay, so guys, as I already showed you that it is also responsive and dynamic for any kind of device, for any kind of screen sizes also. So just let me just show you the responsiveness also. So just go this way. Okay, so open sidebar. See, remove it. See guys, how dynamic and how awesome our sidebar is. Okay, see guys, just close it, open it, close it, open it, and close it. Okay, see, it is dynamic and really awesome. See, it is also responsive for any kind of screen sizes, for any kind of devices. Okay, and it is working fully fine and fantastic also. Okay, so guys, I hope guys I have explained you all the things from this video, from this session. Guys, still you have any doubt, any query, please guys, you are free to ask me in the comment section below. I will try to address it, I will try to resolve it if you are having any kind of issues regarding this video, regarding this session. Okay, so guys, I hope guys we have come to this session, we have come to the end of this video. So again guys, let me request you all guys, please guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys do subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly. Okay, and guys, let me just ask you one more thing guys. If you still have like any doubt, any query regarding my video, guys, please guys do let me know that how do you feel about my video, about my session, whether my voice is clear, whether my voice is understandable. Okay, whether I am audible, whether I am speaking too fast, whether I am speaking too slow. Please guys, if you have any kind of doubt, any kind of suggestions for me, then please guys do give me. I will try to implement it, I will try to apply the suggestions from the next video, from the next session itself. Okay, so guys, please guys do subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, and please press the bell icon also, and please guys do like this video if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session. Okay, and guys, let me just mention you one more thing. So guys, as you all know, I have also started tutorials on ServiceNow also. So guys, if you are a ServiceNow developer, then please guys do subscribe to this channel, because on this channel I will explain you that how to become a great and dynamic ServiceNow developer as well. Okay, so please guys do subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also. Okay, and guys, let me just tell you one more thing guys. So guys, only one day is left in 2024. So guys, I wish you a very happy and prosperous new year 2024. And guys, I wish may this year God fulfill all your wishes and desire, and may you all achieve a great success and heights in this year. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys, and once again guys, happy new year 2024. And please guys, thank you guys who has already subscribed to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and thank you to those who has not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Please guys, press the bell icon and please subscribe to this channel Code with ER. So happy new year guys, once again, see you in 2024. Okay, so I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year 2024. Okay, so see you guys till then, take care, bye bye. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.